Hello everyone, quick video here, and in this video I'm going to show you some Topstep promo codes. Alright, as you can see here, I am on the official page of Topstep.com. But in this video I'm going to show you some promo codes that I've saved. That's what I've seen online, or these ones right here works, and you can try it out yourself. Alright, this one, OXJZBIPD. Alright, make sure that it is written on capital letters. Alright, another one, Take 50 Welcome. Another one here, 5 Express funded accounts. You can just go ahead and pause the video and try it out yourself. Alright, another one, the Topstep X, the Champions 35, and the Trade 767. Alright, now what if these codes won't work? So just skip the coupon code hunt. Alright, again, skip the coupon code hunt and just go straight ahead to here, the Topstep website, create an account, log in, and the 70% discount will be automatically applied to your account, and there is no code needed. That is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.